Alright, I'm standing out here on Fremont and 6th with the El Cortez Hotel, the first luxury hotel in downtown Las Vegas, opened in 1941, and it still maintains the same facade as it had back then. This is a fantastic place to stay if you want to have the feeling of old Vegas. The El Cortez. Okay, in 2024, they introduced the show bar and the roulette bar at the El Cortez. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a walk inside and we are going to take a look at these additions. He's also added 10,000 square feet of gaming space with a high limit room. So let's go in and take a look. Right in front of us we have the roulette bar, as you can see. This is an addition here. This is awesome. And then there's more table games in this direction down here. And as I'm starting to walk towards it, this is what everybody's talking about. It's a new show bar. Wow, check this out down here. Yeah, they did a really good job with this right here. I'm gonna walk over this way. And you can see they added the high limit slots. Then Hot Nudes is right next to it. So this is a new addition to the El Cortez, and the new gaming space is beautiful. So when you combine this with the renovations of the original 47 and the other rooms here in the tower, they've really done something here at El Cortez that is really going to make people want to come back down to Fremont Street and Old Vegas. The thing about this particular casino here, it may not have the flash of a high show, you know, real popular show that some of the places on the strip have, but it does have that family feel. It's owned by a family, the Epsteins, and I'm going to tell you what, when you come in here, you can see so many people that treat this place just like they treat their home. They feel home here. They feel like they're at home. They know everybody. Good conversation going on here. This is just a real cozy, friendly place to come for no matter how long you come. Just a really great place. The place I was pleasantly surprised here at El Cortez was its sports book. Not all that big, but it's pretty cozy. It's got plenty of TVs and plenty of areas to bet. So this is a really cozy sports bar right here in El Cortez. Even though you might not think they'd have something as nice as this, they certainly do. This is a great place to come and place your bets and watch any of the sporting events that you want to see. Down the middle part of the casino here, you're going to see there's plenty of table games here, and they have, the minimums are pretty low here. You can go as low as $10 on some of these, depending again, and just like all casinos, what day of the week you're here and what time of day it is. But they have plenty of table games in here to meet all your gambling needs. We're going to come back up here. You can see the roulette bar. Okay, now I'm going to head down a place that I remember from a number of years ago being here. It's the History Hallway, where they have pictures represent all stages in history here in Las Vegas and Fremont Street. So if you're into that sort of stuff, just come just off the casino floor, connecting one side of the casino to the other. There's all sorts of pictures with some stories underneath them about the history of Las Vegas. Okay, all you have to do is come right outside the front of El Cortez, and right across the street you have Sushi Ichiban, which is part of El Cortez, and you also have Eureka, which offers craft beers, elevated burgers, and small batch whiskeys. So this is all part of El Cortez, which you can come over here and use this to spice up your night. Okay, when you come down the right side of the casino floor here, you see the stairs that go up to the original 47. And also the famous barbershop up here. So we're gonna take a walk up these stairs to the original 47. So that's just something to take note of. If you stay in one of these original 47s, there is no elevator. So if you have lots of luggage, you might find this a little difficult. So we're gonna come down here, the famous barber shop. Gonna come down this hallway here. There we go. The Speakeasy barber shop right here, not open at the moment. But you can see how cool these hallways are. They renovated the original 47 in 2022 to give it a modern retro look. And these are really popular. They did a great job with them. But again, it's like I said, these are all stairs leading to them. So if you have a lot of luggage, this might be a little bit difficult, but again, the redesign that they did is absolutely fantastic on the original 47 here at El Cortez. Definitely worth coming to. Okay, located right across the street out back is the El Cortez Cabana Suites. They were redesigned in 2009. It was the original Ogden house that were apartments. They're now turned into suites. So it's another option for you to stay here at the El Cortez. When we take a look at other parts of the casino floor, they also have the parlor bar, in which they have live entertainment in here. This is a very comfortable place to come and listen to live entertainment and have yourself a nice cocktail. Right across from that is Siegel's 1941, place to get American food. You can get sandwiches, entrees, if you're looking for something to eat. I want to move down the casino floor here as we come towards the main entrance over here on the left. You're going to see a bar right here, and then there's our stairs that go to the original 47 rooms, which they've renovated 2022. You have your front desk over here to register. Come down over here, you're going to have some more slots, and of course they also put in, you got it, a Starbucks for those of you that need your coffee fix. And just like every place, you're going to need some gifts, or you're going to need some essentials, some things that you forgot. And they have a gift shop right here that they can definitely take care of any of those things that you might need. Any souvenirs, sodas, beer, things of that nature. So very impressed with the El Cortez. A great place to come and just kind of get away from the craziness of the Las Vegas Strip.